Before I was actually successful with my online business, I used to watch YouTube videos exactly like this. And all of those videos always said the same shit. So I said to myself, if I ever make it, I'm going to make a YouTube video and show absolutely everything. So after 8 years, here we are. It's time. I'm about to tell you everything I know about a real side hustle that can make you real money. Now, I know you don't know who I am, but my name is Romero. I was one of the first ones to start doing YouTube automation back in 2018, and with only 3 of my faceless YouTube channels, I have made over $1.6 million. So yes, even though I've gotten hundreds of millions of views on YouTube, I never showed my face, I never used my voice, and I didn't even edit the videos. And obviously, that's all thanks to AI. Now, if you've never heard of YouTube automation, I'm going to show you one of my YouTube videos. I'm going to play it real quick, and then I'm going to show you exactly how I did it.
Trended for weeks, and Disney's PR teams reportedly went into overdrive trying to
That's it. That was the video. That video ended up getting 366,000 views, and that paid me over $1,800. And by the way, that one video, that was posted in the last 20 days. Now let me show you another YouTube video, but actually go into detail, okay? So this is the YouTube video. It was titled 9 Things Corey Inherited from the Old Man. This video ended up getting 8.9 million views, and that paid me $66,609.
The old man passed down some of his belongings to his children and grandchildren. Today we will look at some of the things that Pawn Stars host Corey actually inherited from the old man.
So yeah, I mean, that was pretty much it. It was just a list of things that Corey probably inherited from the old man. Now, you probably hear a lot of people talk about YouTube and how to approach it and that it has to be high quality content. No, it doesn't. Okay, it doesn't. It just sounds cool to say that. But I'm also not saying that it's super easy. But you also have to understand that a top 10 video about a TV show on History Channel paid me over $66,000. Now, I'm not saying you have to do a TV show. You can do literally anything else. I'm about to give you a real YouTube automation tutorial in 40 seconds or less, I think. So I'm gonna pretend I'm you. I clicked on the video that got all of those views. I go to the description. I click on show transcript. I copy the entire transcript of this video. Then I'm gonna open up ChatGPT, prompt it to rewrite this script using 9 different things. I'm gonna paste it and enter. And again, this is like a rushed version. This is the idea of how this works. And here we go. Now it's giving me 9 different things that Corey could have inherited from the old man. Then I'm gonna go to 11labs.com. And what this does is that it's going to create an AI voice that is going to read the script. Now, once I'm in 11 Labs, all I have to do is just paste whatever it told me and then click generate script.
Corey now keeps his grandfather's shadow box, medals, ribbons, even the Destroyer Squadron patch.
And boom, there we go. The script and the audio is done. Took about fucking 30 seconds. The next step though is editing, and you have 2 options for this. You can either hire an editor on websites like Fiverr or Upwork. It's gonna be about $20-25 per video, or you can just learn how to do it yourself. Editing is very easy, especially when it comes to niches like this. Now, for those of you wondering, yes, I'm allowed to use this footage because as a YouTuber, I'm also legally protected. As long as the footage stays under 7 seconds before it transitions to anything else, we're good. So yeah, I mean, this is technically YouTube, but you're not stuck making videos. The mentality that you need to have if you ever go ahead and pursue YouTube automation is money over art. Because a lot of people get in their head and they're like, oh, I have to make a high quality video, right? Fucking Steven Spielberg over here. Or they try to make it so extra, it's like, relax. Okay, there's millions of YouTube videos that are uploaded every single day. As long as your video meets the bare minimum criteria, it's going to get pushed by the algorithm. But now, how does YouTube pay? Like, how do these YouTube videos turn to money? I'm gonna show you. And I'm gonna use another one of my YouTube channels in the celebrity news niche. In the last 365 days, this YouTube channel has gotten 26 million views, and that's paid me $210,000. Now, if I go into my revenue settings and I scroll all the way down, you can see that my RPM is $7.91, meaning that for every 1,000 views, I got paid $7.91 by YouTube. So yeah, that's what RPM means. It just means how much you're going to get paid per 1,000 views. And yes, you can hit these numbers relatively fast, okay? It depends, but it's possible. Now, I'm not just saying that. I'm saying that for a reason, because in my school group, I had a member make $5,000 in 7 days. Is this common? No. But is it possible? Yes. Now, one of the biggest questions that come with this is, how do I know what to make videos on? How do I pick a niche, a topic? Well, step number 1, you want to pick a niche that has high competition. Every other guru on YouTube is going to tell you to go for those secret niches or high RPM niches. Fuck all of that, okay? I've tried every single niche you could possibly think of, and the best ones are the ones with high competition. Because when you find a YouTube channel and a niche that you want to do, you already have the proven formula of what works. You just have to recreate it. So if your niche is water bottles and you want to make the best, water bottles that exist, find a YouTube channel that is posting that, see what his thumbnail was, see what his title was, see what his concept was, and just replicate it. Make it different. Don't just copy his exact video, but you have all of these AI tools to do it for you. When I first started YouTube automation, before ChatGPT, I needed to hire a scriptwriter, a voice commentator, a video editor. It was a whole mess. I was spending about $60 per video. You don't have to do that. Now listen, I don't care what your opinion is on YouTube automation. Eventually, this is going to become mainstream. If you do not build your brand right now, if you don't start growing a YouTube channel in a niche, you're going to get left behind. You're still early. Yes, we know YouTube exists. Everyone knows that YouTube exists. It's been around for the longest. YouTube automation, though, is a faceless brand. Okay, think about it this way. Think about it like TMZ. No one knows who owns TMZ, but everyone knows that that's the best place to get your celebrity gossip. This YouTube channel that I showed you guys, let me switch this to Lifetime, is in the celebrity news niche, and it's made me over $1 million, okay? And I'm even gonna go as far as to go into settings, show its USD, change it to Ugandan shillings, right? Let it update, then it's gonna change the revenue to whatever this amount is. So I'm gonna go back to settings. The reason I'm doing this, guys, is because I get a lot of accusations for this, because I show my analytics, I show the number, and people think that this number is crazy to reach and it's not possible. So they accuse me of switching the currency of my channel. You just saw me do it. You understand what I'm saying? All I did was replicate TMZ's strategy. So yeah, pick a niche, create the script with ChatGPT, create the audio, figure out what you want to do with the editing, and just repeat that process over and over. So to answer your question, how long is this going to take? How much are you going to post? How consistent are you going to be? Because there's no fucking way, even if your video is complete dog shit, that you post every single day for a full year and not a single video goes viral. If you just copy the winning formula, that's it. And listen, yes, I have a school community. Fuck that. Don't join my school community. Do it yourself first if you want, right? If you're skeptical, if you think I'm just a guru, which I understand, listen, it's not looking good for me the way I have this set up, but it's also a business too, right? This is also a business as well. I have made over $1.6 million. I do have multiple YouTube channels that make me over 10K every single month. This is another source of income. And I'll be completely honest, I don't see myself as a guru. I'm not gonna make you book a call to see if you qualify, right? No, dude, I don't even charge 50 bucks. But the point is that I don't want you to skip on YouTube automation because of this video, that this is a guru, which understandable. Try it yourself. I'm gonna do the opposite and tell you, if you're skeptical, don't join it. Try yourself first, okay? And if you stay consistent, you're gonna see exactly what I'm talking about, and eventually, you're going to join. But for real, consistency beats talent every single day of the fucking year. People do not succeed in this because they try themselves and they try to be too original or they care too much about the quality. If you approach this in a business mindset, you are most likely to succeed. Think of YouTube's algorithm as a loyalty test. They want to make sure that you're a fit employee for them, that you're going to be consistent, that you're going to clock in every single day, post a video, and then they will hire you and reward you. It's a reward system. The more you do it, the more you'll get paid. Now, for those of you that are still watching this and you're ready to pull the trigger, I'll show you what's in my school community. If you don't give a fuck, you can click off right now. At least like the video before you leave though. But yeah, this is what my school community is. I have a full blueprint section here. If you're a complete beginner, this is exactly where you want to start. It shows you from A to Z on how to start a channel, how to do the whole production. And once you watch that, you can go to the entire course. It's a terrible thumbnail of me, but everything I know and everything that I've learned from YouTube since 2018 is here in these videos. But the best part is that I go live 2 times every single week. And this is where you can ask me any questions that you have. If you want me to review your channel, I'll do it. And dude, I'm on here for so long. Sometimes these live calls can go up to 4 and 5 hours, but I don't get off until everyone's questions are answered. I also give you access to a Google Drive with PNG thumbnail templates done for you. I always struggle to say that. I give you a list of niches, of the best niches that you can actually start, okay? This isn't just a random list of niches that I've heard work. These are niches that I've tried myself. So if you're a complete beginner, that list is going to save your life. And there's so much more. Guys, I've been working on this for years, and I only dropped it in November of last year, I think. It hasn't been a year. Like, look how young I look. I was probably like 20, 21 years old. I've been recording this for a long time, guys. And I never released it because I wanted it to be perfect. Now, usually in these YouTube videos, I go ahead and pause at a specific one and highlight that one. I'm just gonna scroll and let you pause the video if you want so you can read them. There's a lot of wins in this community. There's a lot of people making thousands of dollars within the first month. Oh, Here he is. This is the guy I was talking about. He made 5,000 in 7 days. But yeah, you get the point. The link is going to be down below in the description and also in the pinned comment. You can check it out if you want. It's pretty much it. Like and subscribe or whatever.